Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. And if you like my research and if you want to support my research, you can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the review of Tuesday market. Tuesday market ended up with 14,504.80. 194 point in the positive, 1.36% in the positive. Opened around 14,364.90, which is well above the previous closing, and low at around 14,274.490. High went around 14,528.90. Let's go to our prediction review. We have the data in the positive, 75% in the positive, remaining one evenly poised, so 75% is clearly shown in the bullish side. But at the same time, we clearly given in these kind of data 80% of the time, even though it is showing volatile, but still positive average, it has got it 80% of the time. That is also given in the group. But specifically this particular day, we started to avoid for the small traders. It is a high risk trading day because due to the premiums are very much high, it will erode, and it is not easy to trade. So specifically I told our small traders to stay away from the market. So it is not going to be easy to trade on this specific day. That is the group call given on 13th itself. So 70% positive, but all three results are equally chance 33.33%. So if anyone want to trade, they have to bet both sides with 10-10 if still they want to. But other side, safe traders better stay away from the market. That is the indication we clearly given. And we know this kind of a day, if the market is going towards to positive average 80% of the time. So that hint also given. So anyone want to take risk, they can trade because the premiums are very high. So small traders will get suffer if they are not bought in the perfect level. So that is the indications given well in advance. And we know the pending target, which is 14,680. Still it is pending, it is not hit on Tuesday itself. And clearly told about the note of that, because 80% of the time it is always its positive average on this particular day. So the only concern is this evenly poised, which makes the headache. That is the reason market was not in a good way around until 12 o'clock. It is oscillating too much, it is not giving good points in the positive direction. So that is the reason, even if we want to trade, they can trade in these kind of small trades 10 points, but still it is high risk traders day. Even these two small points also high risk traders day. So that is the reason we specifically asked our small traders to stay away from the market. There is no further call also given. And we found the low in the initial stage itself. The low is perfectly matched in our data at 10.5. So the market will go towards to the positive side as well. So it is started to move, and initially the high also got matched. So that is the reason up to 12 o'clock it has oscillated in between those range. Once we know the level of 14,480 will got it 80% of the time, so the high will get broken and gone towards the positive side. But the price are not moved that much initially. After 12 or maybe 11:40, after that only it started to move towards the positive side. These are all the data for Thursday. So Thursday also bit positive, and frequency was in the positive side 1.10%. So it might open in the gap up. So that is the indication. So anyone want to take this, they can hold. That is the given. So the positive target which the clients are asking, so we specifically pointed of 14,680. That is the positive target. The downside target, which is 13,599. So that we need not to forget. Let's go to the prediction for Thursday is also 75% chances are in the positive, and one indication is in the volatile range. So 75% positive, and the frequency is also there in the positive side, which is 14,651 range, which we have the pending target of 14,680 range. So we have a good chance to hit that pending target of 14,680 on Thursday itself. So gap up, if anything opens, means market will try to give up its points. These are all the support and resistance levels. So if, for example, if the market is reaching that resistance level 7, which is 670, or maybe 14,711, in these ranges, it is fulfill the positive, so it will try to fall down from that level towards to the negative average. But there are different kind of indications. Why? Because if the market is not breaking this overall average or the pivot or the previous closing, it has a chance to reverse from these levels as well. So that is the notable point we need to watch out. Why? Because it is already in the extreme bullish zone. So these three levels we need to monitor. If these three levels breaking, then the market will come down towards the negative average, because it is fulfilling the positive side target, which 680. So it will try to fall down 13,599 pending target of downside. So it might fall down any level from that particular level, which is almost 1,000 points are there. So it will try to almost 900 points. So it is try to fall down that level. So we can keep small put option if the market is opens in the gap up somewhere around 150 to 200 points in the gap up. So these are all the scenarios which will show you in the par value. Anything above the par value indicating the target of PT1 to high. So if the gap up is there, 14,712 reaching, means the market will try to fall down from that level towards to negative low or negative target 2 or the par value. So it might have the chances to recover if the par value is not breaking. So that is what we have mentioned. So 39 to 40 points, if it is staying there, the market once again having the chances to reverse, but still we can keep a small put option to buy as well. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.